Hello everyone, and welcome back to another exciting video of the Sublimation Focus. In today's video, we will discuss the best laser printers for your home. These printers are especially for users looking for high-quality, budget-friendly printers to take their printing game to the next level. Each printer's output quality is sure to impress, making your printouts look professional and sharp. We all know that a quality printer is an essential part of any home or work area, and this list will help you decide the best one for your needs. To help you out, we have done all the research and put together a list of our top picks for the best laser printers for your home. Each printer offers a unique, quality output that is sure to meet your printing needs. These printers can be used in any condition and still deliver amazing results. For your convenience, we have also included the link to each laser printer in the description box below so you can purchase them without the hassle. The best thing is that these provided links are updated daily to ensure you get the best deals in town. So, without further ado, let's dive into our list. Number 1 is the HP Color LaserJet Pro M182DW laser printer. In today's colorful world of home printing, the HP Color LaserJet Pro M182DW laser printer takes the crown as the numero uno choice for a savvy home. This magnificent marvel combines high-quality color with lightning-fast multifunction capabilities, giving you the ultimate home superstar. Printing, copying, and scanning have never been this exciting. With speeds of up to 17 pages per minute, your documents will be ready before you can say print. The intuitive control panel and numeric keypad make it a breeze, while the wide operating temperature range ensures it can handle any climate. But wait, there's more! The HP Smart app lets you print from your phone, manage jobs, and receive notifications from anywhere. It's like having a personal print assistant in your pocket. Plus, customizable shortcuts in the app help you zip through tasks at warp speed. Are you concerned about security? Don't be! This printer comes with built-in security features to protect your precious data. And when it comes to connectivity, the dual-band Wi-Fi ensures a rock-solid connection every time. So, if you like this printer, then check out the link in the description box to purchase it right now. Number 2 is the Canon MF462DW duplex laser printer. When transforming your home into a productivity powerhouse, the Canon MF462DW duplex laser printer swoops the best laser printers for your home. This sleek and savvy machine is like a magician, performing one-pass duplex scans that effortlessly capture both sides of your documents. Say goodbye to the hassle of flipping pages. But that's not all. This laser magic doesn't stop there. With lightning-fast printing speeds of up to 37 pages per minute, you'll be zipping through your printing tasks faster than you can say fantastic. Need something pronto? No problem! It boasts a first printout time of less than 4.9 seconds, making it perfect for those urgent documents. Moreover, the Canon MF462DW is your home's technological best friend, connecting seamlessly to your mobile devices through Wi-Fi direct connection. No router? No worries! And when you're on the move, you can trust Canon Print Business, Apple AirPrint, and Mopria Print Service to have your back, ensuring you can print on the go without breaking a sweat. So, if you are interested in this sublimation printer, then check out the link provided in the description to purchase it right now. Number 3 is the Brother HL3210CW digital color laser printer. Have you been searching for the ultimate printing powerhouse to bring your home to life? The Brother HL3210CW digital color laser printer is here to add excitement to your daily tasks. With its easy-to-use UI and one-touch color printing features, this printer ideally ensures all your documents come out bright and colorful. This laser printer is like a speed demon in disguise, zooming through your documents at an astonishing 19 pages per minute. Whether it's school assignments, family photos, or work presentations, this printer delivers impeccable laser quality in vibrant, eye-popping colors. But it doesn't stop there. This printer is a true workhorse. With its 250 sheet paper tray, you'll spend less time reloading paper and more time enjoying life. It's versatile, too, accommodating various paper types and sizes, from cardstock to envelopes. No printing task is too big or too small for this champion. And if you like convenience, you're in for a treat. The Brother HL3210CW offers wireless and mobile printing options, so you can effortlessly print from your smartphone or tablet. So, if you like this sublimation printer, then check out the link provided in the description to purchase it right now. Number 4 is Pantom MF462DW all-in-one laser printer. The Pantom MF462DW all-in-one laser printer is an optimistic and game-changing addition to your home setup. Imagine the convenience of having a multifunctional powerhouse right at your fingertips. This printer isn't just a printer, it's your trusty sidekick for printing, copying, and scanning, all with lightning-fast speed at 22 pages per minute. Its stability and high-quality performance across different operating systems set this printer apart. It's like a tech-savvy chameleon that effortlessly adapts to Windows, Linux, Android, and Mac OS without sweat. The user-friendly design is a breath of fresh air. You won't need a tech degree to set it up. A simple, one-step driver installation gets you printing in no time. Whether you prefer USB 2.0, Wi-Fi, or network connections, this printer covers you, even syncing seamlessly with your laptop, tablet, and cell phone through the Pantom app. And let's talk economics. It's both efficient in performance and savings. With a generous starter cartridge and a new 1,500-page toner cartridge, you won't be constantly shelling out for replacements. So, if you are inquisitive about this laser printer, then check out the link provided in the description to purchase it right now. Number 5 is the HP Color LaserJet Pro M283FDW laser printer. Introducing the ultimate game changer for your home, the HP Color LaserJet Pro M283FDW wireless laser printer. Get ready to experience a world of vibrant, high-quality color prints that will leave you in awe. This all-in-one printer is not your average Joe, it's a multifunction superstar. Need speed? Buckle up because this bad boy can churn out your documents at a lightning-fast 22 pages per minute. Say goodbye to the hassle of manual flipping with automatic two-sided printing and breeze through stacks of papers with the 50-page automatic document feeder. But the fun doesn't stop there. Get your tech-savvy groove on with the HP Smart app, allowing you to print, scan, and manage your tasks anywhere. Customizable shortcuts? Yes! Say hello to a 50% faster document organization from your mobile device. Are you worried about security? Fear not! Your sensitive data is guarded by top-notch built-in security essentials that detect and thwart potential attacks. So, if you are interested in this all-in-one laser printer, then check out the link provided in the description to purchase it right now. That's all from us in today's video. We hope you enjoyed this overview of the best laser printers for home. If you want to purchase any of these best sublimation printers, then check out the link provided in the description box to get them right now. And if you like this video, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our Sublimation Focus channel for more awesome upcoming videos linked to printers.